Crash Course on Thai Buddhism, an overview of Buddhism in Thailand, including its history, beliefs, and practices. Certainly, let's start with an overview of Buddhism in Thailand. Buddhism is the largest religion in Thailand, with around 95% of the population following the Theravada tradition of Buddhism. It has been a part of Thai culture for over 2,000 years and has played a significant role in shaping Thai society and way of life. One of the unique aspects of Thai Buddhism is the close relationship between monks and laypeople. Monks are highly respected members of society, and laypeople often make merit by donating food, money, and other items to temples. In addition to traditional Buddhist practices such as meditation and mindfulness, Thai Buddhism also incorporates local beliefs and customs. Here are the top 12 unique practices of Thai Buddhism. Merit making. This is the act of performing good deeds and making offerings to the Buddha and other deities to gain merit and good karma. Wai Khru, a ceremony in which students pay respect to their teachers by performing traditional dances and offering flowers. Songkran, the Thai New Year, which is celebrated in mid-April with water fights and other festive activities. Loi Krathong, a festival in November where people float small banana leaf boats decorated with flowers and candles on rivers and canals. Ghost Festival, a festival in August where offerings are made to wandering ghosts to appease them and prevent bad luck. Visakha Buka, a day celebrating the birth, enlightenment, and death of the Buddha, observed in May. Tao Phansa, a 3-month period of Buddhist Lent where monks stay in their temples and devote themselves to study and meditation. Thot Katan, a festival held at the end of Buddhist Lent where laypeople make offerings of new robes and other items to monks. Takbat Devo, the act of offering food to monks at dawn, a common practice in Thailand. Sai Bat, a similar practice to Takbat Devo, where monks walk through the streets to receive food offerings from laypeople. Yant, sacred tattoos believed to offer protection and good luck. Sak Yant, a ritual involving the application of yant tattoos by Buddhist monks, often performed for protection or other specific purposes. Thai Buddhism is a rich and diverse tradition that has evolved over thousands of years. Its unique practices and beliefs continue to play a vital role in Thai culture and society. Now let's summarize what we've covered. In this crash course on Thai Buddhism, we've explored the history, beliefs, and practices of the largest religion in Thailand. We've seen how Buddhism has shaped Thai society and way of life and learned about some of the unique practices and customs that are specific to Thai Buddhism, such as merit making, Wai Khru, and yant tattoos. We hope this crash course has given you a greater appreciation for the rich and vibrant tradition of Thai Buddhism. And finally, here is a poem and song about Thai Buddhism. Poem. Thai Buddhism, ancient and wise. A way of life that never dies. Monks and laypeople in harmony. Living in peace and unity. Merit making, offering to the divine. A path to a life that's truly divine. Wai Khru, honoring our teachers with grace. A symbol of respect that we embrace. Songkran, Loi Krathong, and more. Festivals that we all adore. A way to celebrate and connect. Our cultural heritage we protect. Sak Yant, sacred tattoos on our skin. A way to find peace and to begin. Thai Buddhism, a way of life. A beautiful tradition free of strife. Song. Verse 1. In Thailand, the largest religion is Buddhism, a path of wisdom. Verse 2. From the golden temples to the quiet retreats. Thai Buddhism teaches to find inner peace. With the lotus flower as a symbol of purity. Meditation helps to reach enlightenment with clarity. Chorus. Thai Buddhism, a path to serenity. With compassion and wisdom, a true identity. A way of life that brings harmony. Thai Buddhism, a treasure for humanity. Verse 3. The almsgiving ritual in the early morn. Monks walk the streets, a sight to be adorned. Chanting mantras and receiving offerings. A spiritual exchange, a humbling feeling. Chorus. Thai Buddhism, a path to serenity. With compassion and wisdom, a true identity. A way of life that brings harmony. Thai Buddhism, a treasure for humanity. Bridge. The teachings of Buddha, so profound and wise, emphasize compassion and love to arise. May we all find peace within ourselves, and live our lives with kindness and true wealth. Chorus. Thai Buddhism, a path to serenity. With compassion and wisdom, a true identity. A way of life that brings harmony. Thai Buddhism, a treasure for humanity. Outro. Thai Buddhism, a treasure for humanity. A guiding light to help us all live happily. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.